Maybe you're in Google Calendar and you'd like to see what you have going on this weekend. Or maybe you'd like to hide the weekend and just see what you have going on during the work week. Maybe you originally planned to be out of office and now your plans have changed, so you'd like to see all the events you've declined. Toggle on and off your weekends and see your declined events in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to toggle on and off your weekends and declined events in one easy step. In Calendar, click on the button next to Settings in the top right corner and check or uncheck your weekends and declined events. Turn them off and on as needed. So there you have it. Toggle on and off your weekends and declined events in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.